Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to add a name in an email using ActiveCampaign. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below that you can use to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. First, click on the Campaigns tab and open the campaign you want to edit. Next, click on Edit Campaign, then select Edit Design. In the Design view, drag and drop a text block into your layout. Click on the text block and you'll see a personalized tag option in the top corner. Click on it, then select Full Name. Your name will now be added to the email successfully. Before we end this video, I want to invite you to a free training on building your email list while earning high-ticket commissions. My team and I have been using this method to make over $3,000 in commissions while growing our list for free. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, just click the link in the description to sign up. We're excited that you watched our video and grateful for your engagement. Thanks for your support.